In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the VVT solenoid on the front bank of this Honda Accord. The rear bank is the same procedure, but a slightly different part, so make sure you have the correct one. Let's get started. Right over here, we have two main electrical connectors that we have to undo. So press on the tabs and remove them from their connector. There we go, we'll set those aside. Right over here, there's a little tab that you can pry out on that'll unlock this harness, and do the same on the other side of this harness. That'll allow you to pull this away. Down here, there's a 10mm bolt that if we remove, it'll give us extra slack. There we go. This bracket here is in the way, so I have to remove it. There's a couple 10mm bolts holding this down. And now we can unbolt our solenoid. There are two bolts at the bottom and one at the top. Okay, there it is. Try to peel this metal piece up. There it goes. All right, take this out. And I'm going to clean around here. Don't spray anything in here. You don't want to get brake parts cleaner in the passages of the VVT. We have an old dowel pin here that I'm going to remove. Just pull it out. I'll put the two new dowel pins in. Then we'll lay down the gasket. Do not put any RTV or gasket maker or anything like that on here. Just the gasket itself. Then you put this down. Make sure it's facing the right way. And then we take the new solenoid and drop it right down. Take that provided hardware and thread it in. The two shorter bolts go on the bottom and the one longer bolt right through the top. Snug these up slowly and gently. And now let's torque them, very important, so that you don't over tighten the gasket. I'm going to torque these to 8.7 foot-pounds. Double check them. All right, let's get this bracket back on here with the two 10mm headed bolts. And put this harness back over. Line it up with both of the locking tabs on it. Press it down. Plug in the two connectors. And get this bolt reattached down here by the harness. And with a collection bucket underneath, I'm going to clean off the area so that there's no oil left over. And there you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.